how to stop sending your clients to competitors. Well, what we mean by that? See, when somebody else is viewing your profile, he will also be able to see on the right side, where now you can see these ads, promoted ads. He would actually be able to see their similar profiles like yours. These are actually your competitors. So for example, if I'm marketing strategist or certified business mentor, then people will open my profile, but on the right side, they will be able to see other suggested profiles, and it will be written people also viewed, and then they will have a list of profiles. And these are the profiles of people who do the similar thing, or in the similar or same industry or field of work. So what we really want is that people or our clients who are watching or viewing our LinkedIn profile don't really get a suggestion to view other people's profile as well, similar profiles like ours or our competitors' profiles. So there is actually an option on LinkedIn which we can switch off or turn off, and then we'll no longer have this issue. So again, we're clicking on this icon, me icon, where we can see our photo above. We're going to the settings and privacy, and now on the left side below the account, we'll see the option how others see your LinkedIn activity. Let me just check about it. It's actually the first option, how others see your profile and network information. And it is below the privacy option. Viewers of this profile also viewed. So now my profile is set up on no option, so that people who are viewing my profile cannot have the option of seeing similar profiles suggested by LinkedIn. And if you would like to have the same option, then you would click on it and you will change it to the no status. Now, if I would click on it and change it to the yes status, let's see what happens. Let's go back to my profile, view profile, and scroll down, and then you'll see this option, people also viewed. People who viewed my profile, they also viewed these profiles. Yes, so now we'll go back to the option and we'll turn it off. So again, privacy, viewers of this profile also viewed, and change to no. And that's it.